Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel Financeable. Today in this video, let's learn about how to log in to American Express Savings Bank. So let's get started. At first, let's get into any browser and search for American Express Savings Login. Now click on this website over here, American Express Online Savings Account. So let's tap on this. And on the left top, we can see Savings Login option. So let's tap on this. Now click on login over here. If you are Amex card members and if you are the customers without Amex card, we can go for this one. You can choose any of this. So let's click on login here. Now enter your user ID and enter your password. And if you want yourself to log in even after you get back, simply click on remember me. Now if you're forgetting your user ID or password, click on forgot user ID or password, and if you want to create your new account, you can go for this one. Now simply click on login, after which we'll get into American Express Bank interface. I hope you like the video. Please do like and subscribe.